Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. This is Shilpa Patil here, and today we are going to continue our Social Studies 6th chapter, The Clothes We Wear. From this video, you will learn about how cloth is made. Let us see how cloth is made. If we carefully look at a piece of cloth, we can see threads running along the length and breadth of the cloth. Cloth is woven crossing two sets of yarn on a loom. We use power loom or a hand loom to weave the cloth. If you have seen any piece of cloth, you can see, if carefully you have seen, then you can understand that the threads are running along the length also and the breadth also. Likewise, the horizontal and vertically it woven like this. And that is why we are getting the cloth, any kind of cloth. Cloth is woven crossing two sets of yarn on a loom like this. Horizontal also and vertical also. This is the woven cloth. We use power loom or hand loom. Like this, we are getting the any kind of cloth like the saris, shirts, hankies, any kind of cloth we are getting through this. We use power loom or hand loom to weave the cloth like this. This is a hand loom cloth. We can knit woolen threads into sweaters, socks, etc. by using knitting needles. These are the knitting needles by which we can get the sweaters also, socks also of woolen. Like this, vests and t-shirts also are made by machine knit. These are the machine knit cloths like this. Vests and sweaters by weaving by machine or knitting by machine, we are getting sweaters. Now we are going to see about the dyeing, the procedure of dyeing. Cloth is colored using dyes. The dyes are colored solutions made from chemicals or plant products. The plant dyes are called natural dyes. जिस प्लांट्स के कलर को यूज़ करके डाई किया जाता है, किसी भी कपड़े को अलग रंग दिया जाता है, that is called the natural dyes. We get them from leaves, barks, flowers, stems and roots of the plants. Now we are going to see about the dyeing. Like this, any cloth we are getting and dyed by different types of colors. Like this. The color solutions made from chemicals. Different kinds of chemicals are used to get the different colors. And plant products also, or from different kinds of plants we are getting these kinds of colors. Here you can see from roots, from leaves, from barks, you are getting these types of colors, different kinds of colors. Barks means जो पेड़ पौधे होते हैं उनकी छाल. मेहंदी leaves give brown color, indigo plants give blue color, and onion skin gives yellow and orange color. Can you imagine? Onion also used to dye the clothes. This way we are getting different kinds of colors by using the barks. This is the henna. Henna means mehendi. Especially girls used to draw these kinds of mehendis on their palm. Is it? And after washing it, it got brown in color. So this way, this is the indigo plant. Indigo plant gives us blue color like this. This is the flowers indigo by which we can get this kind of blue color. And as I told you, the onion, these are the barks of tree. From this also we are getting different colors. From the flowers also different kinds of flowers are available for the different colors. This way plants gives us colors also. That is called a natural color. From the leaves, from the fruits, some of the fruits also are used to get the color. This kind of fruits, as I told you, the onion also is used to give the color or color the cloth. Turmeric also is used. Different kinds of flowers also are used, and roots also. Roots of particular plants are used to dye the cloths. Onion peel, like this, we are getting different kinds of colors from onion. Like this. These are the colors of onion only. Yellow color and orange color specially used. Now we are going to learn about the printing. Patterns and designs are made on the cloth by various methods. Block printing is used mostly on cotton fabrics. Carved wooden blocks are used to print the designs. Kalamkari and batik are some of the famous printing designs of our India. The printing we are going to see now. See this kind of printing on a cloth by the patterns and designs on the cloth by various methods. These methods, different kinds of methods are used to print the cloth. अलग अलग तरह के क्लॉथ को डिज़ाइन करने के लिए, उसके ऊपर प्रिंट करने के लिए अलग अलग तरीके आजमाए जाते हैं. लाइक दिस इज़ द ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग. Same blocks we can get through this way. It is called a block printing. Is used mostly on cotton cloth. Carved wooden blocks are used to print the designs. These are the wooden blocks. इस तरह से हमको designs मिलते हैं. Like this. These are the made by wooden. This way we are getting the prints like this. These are also wooden blocks. This is the kalamkari. Kalamkari is one of the famous printing design of our country. Drawing and painting by hand like this. So this is called a kalamkari. And this is called a batik printing. Batik printing also is very much famous in our country. Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat are famous for hand block printing. I hope all of you understand this video, children. Thank you very much for watching it.